In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade to create a team in Canva Pro. We'll walk through the exact steps you need to follow inside your Canva account so you can start inviting team members and collaborating on your designs. I'll also point out a few things to look out for along the way, especially around permissions and upgrading your plan. First, make sure you're logged into your Canva account on your computer. On the Canva home screen, look to the bottom left corner of the page. You'll see your profile area there. Go ahead and click on your profile. This is where Canva keeps most of your account and workspace controls. Once that panel opens, look for the option labeled Settings. Click on Settings to open your main account settings page. This is the central place where you can manage things like your account details, billing, and of course your team. Inside Settings, find and click on the section called People, or in some layouts, People or Invite People. This section is designed specifically for managing who has access to your workspace. If you're planning to collaborate on designs, this is where everything starts. On the People page, you'll see a button that says Invite People. Click on that. This opens the invitation area where you'll be able to add new team members to your Canva workspace. If you don't see this button clearly, try enlarging your browser window or scrolling down a little, as the layout can shift depending on your screen size. Now, you'll see a field where you can type in email addresses. Enter the email address of the person or people you'd like to invite to your team. You can usually add more than one email by separating them with commas or spaces, but take a moment to double check each address so invitations don't bounce. Before you send those invitations, look for a link or option that says, "Will team members see my designs?" Click on this to review how sharing works in your team. This is important because it explains whether your existing designs will be visible to new members by default, or if you'll need to share specific designs or folders with them manually. At this point, Canva will let you know that you need to upgrade to Canva Pro in order to actually invite team members. You'll see a prompt indicating that an upgrade is required. Follow the on-screen upgrade process from here. Choose the Pro plan that fits you, confirm your billing details, and complete the upgrade. Once your account is upgraded to Canva Pro, you can return to the People section, use the same Invite People button, and your invitations will go through, officially creating your team.